भौशीक बांधकाम खात्याच्या रिक्त पदार कामगारांची कायमची भरती न केल्ले खातीर कामगार संघटना राज्य सरकारा आड न्यायालयांत याचिका सादर करतले अशें आयटक फुडारी क्रिस्टोफर फोन्सेका हांणी म्हळां. भौशीक बांधकाम खात्यांत फाटल्या 30 वर्सां सावन सुमार 1380 कामगार कंत्राटी पद्दतीन कामार आसात. ह्या कामगारांक कायमचे कामार रुजू करून घेवचे अशी मागणी हे कामगार करतात. मात सरकार ताची दखल घेना. ताका लागून सरकाराचो निशेध करपाक 17 फेब्रुवारीक पणजे रॅली काडटले अशें कामगार फुडारी क्रिस्टोफर फोन्सेका हांणी फुडें सांगलां.
These workers have worked more than 20 years. Previously, these workers were through multiple contractors. A number of contractors were taking contracts. PWD had contracted out these various jobs of water supply, sewage treatment, as well as sewage treatment plants, looking after them. And these workers totally in number are around 1,383. During all these years of 20-25 years, the vacancies that were created or vacancies which arose, they were never filled up by permanent workers. These workers are doing perennial jobs and they meet all the requirements of Section 10 of the Contract Labour Regulation and Abolition Act 1970, which mandates that if these workers or any worker does a permanent, regular, continuous job which is integral and essential for any operation, for any product, then those workers need to be regularized. This is Section 10 of the Contract Labour Regulation and Abolition Act.
हा डेस्क गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.